I'm Dave Kraft, the project engineer from Hay and Associates working with the City of Lake Forest on the Forest Park Bluff Stabilization project. The project's going to be starting shortly after Labor Day, and we want to just talk a little bit about what you may expect. The project itself will focus on installation of a wall similar to the one along the South Access Road to stabilize the top of the bluff. One of the first things we're going to do is remove trees and invasive underbrush to allow for access for that wall. That may look a little dramatic when we start, but the idea is to open up the bluff face to allow for stabilization and installation of native plants after we complete the bluff stabilization. The majority of what will be removed will be invasive shrubs and trees that are not natural to the bluff face. We may remove some larger trees to allow for the construction, but we'll attempt to save all that we can. Project construction is anticipated to be completed this winter, and we'll come in next spring to plant native seeds and plants to replace some of the invasive plants that have been lost with native plant communities similar to what's already been installed along the walkway and other portions of the bluff to restore native communities and stabilize the bluff face from future erosion.